other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Now we got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see your booty pop. Talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Yeah. Young guy, trust guy.
What's up, guys? Hopefully everybody doing well, doing okay. So today it's another install video again. So today's video we're gonna be installing SIRIMOTO clutch master cylinder. So let me show you guys the box. Here you go, guys. So we're gonna be installing today this bad boy right here. There you go. You can see clutch master cylinder, nice packaging, very slick, unique. Here you go. You want to bring them closer? So this is the stuff what we have. We have the clutch line with the, what do you call this thing, bulging bolt or whatever. Yeah, with the washers and everything in there. Okay, where are you going, man? And what we have here, we have the clutch master cylinder itself. It looks like the OE one, but it doesn't have one little thing that absorb, like, you know, the vibration and stuff like that. I'll show you, then we'll do the comparison between this one and another one. We compare them. So this is the clutch, and what's in here, this is the instructions. Yeah, you remove the battery and everything. This is the intake thing. Yeah, this is the instructions. Yeah, look, that's nice. You got nice, good stuff in here. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna be installing this bad boy right here. So why you would need this clutch master cylinder? So basically, this one's supposed to help the car or the shifting, you know, like be a little bit more smooth, more oil goes through to the gears and stuff like that. And it's supposed to help with the locking gears as well. Two, it's gonna make that that clutch pedal a little bit more stiff. It's gonna help with the lag out, you know, the lag out in the gears and stuff like that. Especially when you shift in high RPMs, when you push more power and stuff, you will feel like the clutch and the gears kind of like locking and stuff, you know. So that's why that's why I got this thing right here. Well, hopefully we'll, you know, get the gears a little bit better, or the shifting a little better. We'll see. We'll find out. That's what we got it, right? Let's get into it. So let's open this bad boy. How you guys can see, I already removed the battery from here. The battery is gone. You can see the clutch cylinder right there. If you want to zoom that thing out, add some more light in there so you guys can see. It's basically that one right there. Let me touch it with my hand. It's this one right here. This one we're gonna be taking out. So this is the line. You guys can see the line. Hold on. You see, this is it's a hard line for the clutch cylinder, right? It's going this way and it's going this way, following all the way from here, and it's going down, right? But you can see this thing is so thin, but this one, it's a lot more thicker. So that means this line right here is gonna let a lot of oil go through to the line, you know, because it's wider, right? So that's the trick right there, baby. So it's very simple. You disconnect your negative and your positive, right? And there is a bracket that's holding the battery. It's very simple. You remove that. After you remove that, come with me here. There is two bolts that we need to remove. I think they are 10 mil. I believe so. It's literally they are behind the clutch master cylinder, so there is no bolt in there. They are in there, right there. Hopefully, let's see if I can put the camera in there. I can show you guys. So basically, we have two bolts behind the firewall of the car, right? So we're gonna be removing these two nuts, Then we're gonna be removing those two nuts. Then we're gonna be removing the, you know, the clutch line and stuff like that. uh, I'm trying to not make too much mess with the oil and stuff. We'll see, we'll find out. Under the car right now, so we have a bolt right here that we need to remove. It's I think it's 12 actually, and there is another one on the other side, just two bolts, right? And there is a pin. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can feel it. You use the plier and pull it down. It's very simple to remove it, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. All right guys, so I already installed this thing here. So I insert the line right here, and I'm just leaving this thing right here for now. The line, I'm put the line with it, this hard line going, like the OE one is gonna be going the same way. You just gotta follow that, right? So what I need to do now, I need to remove this thing right here. So that would be, usually you want to use this like rounded wrench, so we grip better on that thing, so you don't strip it or anything. So that's 10 mil for sure, probably. So be ready because it's gonna be leaking. So after that, I have my clutch line in here, right? So what we're gonna be doing, uh, let me just move this. I have my bulging bolt in there, so I'm gonna insert the washer and the bolt, right? And I'm gonna insert in here, then I'm gonna mount it in there. Very easy, very simple. So let's get it. It's a little bit tight fit in here. Probably I'll remove this thing here too. Give me 1 second. What is my that little wrench right here? I think I'm gonna just take this one, make a little bit more room. God damn. Bam. Put this one at the side for now. I got this thing loose too. Yep. Where's my wrench? So basically you gotta hold that thing with your 17 mil, right? Like that. And another one is gonna get that thing loose. You see? Just like that, guys. Just like that. Alright guys, so we removed the hard line. You see it, guys, it's dripping out there. Yeah, god damn it. It's right here. So this is the brake, the clutch line that goes all the way right here. That's clutch master cylinder. Oh, I really forgot what is this. I forgot, the sleeve cylinder. Yep, I think that's what it's called, the sleeve cylinder. So so we removed that. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna put this bungee bolt in here. So you put the washer, then the bolt, right? Then you put the other washer. My hand is oily now. It'll be a little bit fun to put this bad boy in there. So, god damn it. Let's see the best. Yeah, maybe we'll put it like that. So you drop this bolt, wash it again, this Belgian bolt, because you don't want to have any kind of small rocks or anything go inside the fluid, you know. So there you go, just like that, guys. Then you use your 17 again wrench, right? So you can Grab that bad boy. That one it would be probably 14. Let me check the 14 for the banjo bolt. Yeah. This thing does not fit good. It's not a 14. God damn, it's gonna be so big. Probably um probably 16. Check the 16. No, too big. I'm thinking it should be 14, but let me check this thing out. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna be taking this line now and install it to the, to the new one. Uh-huh. So this is the old one is out, and this is the new one. It's in. So basically, this line, it's a oil line basically. So I know the old gens they had the brake reservoir and the clutch reservoir for the oil, but this new gen you have has the brake and the clutch the same reservoir. You can see this is the line that feeds the oil to the clutch. So what we're gonna do now, just put our clip back on in there, just like that. Right, give it a nice push in there. So we're looking good, right? This is the OE one. You guys can see they look like the same identical, but this one has this thing right here. How you guys can see, this thing supposed to absorb, what they call it, absorb absorb vibration and stuff like that, but another one doesn't have it. But we'll see if there is any different. Hopefully not, another one feels good on the car. So let's put this one at the side. All right, guys, so what I did, I kind of measured. It's literally the OE one has like about 2 treads on the top, and they lock this thing out. So I kind of did the same thing, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So what do you do? I mean, you can lose this one, huh? And you can, this one you install it by itself. So you put 1, 2. As long as, okay, I see 2 thread in there. Bam, just like that. Yeah. No, actually, maybe I will just go a little bit like this, and I will lock it. Yeah. Then you grab your 12 mil. Shit. And yeah, give it a little tight. Then you put this kind of like a gasket. Right. Put this gasket in there like that. You put this hole right there. So yeah. Alright, guys, everything is back on. I just need to put my battery back on, and that's it. Already bleed the line or the clutch or whatever you want to call it, right? So what I used this thing right here. So yeah, I used that, just a line, and that's the oil or the brake fluid that came out from there. It's very easy, very simple to do. What do you need? Just hook that nipple or that tube in the end of that clutch right there, clutch sleeve. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Yep, that's the one. And you need to have somebody inside to pop the clutch until you feel it's firm. Then you close it, but you will need 8 millimeter, so something like that. seeing it something a little bit long because it is tight fit. So I want to grab this extension, long extension. So yeah, and yeah, we should be good to go now. We just need to put my battery and we'll test it out and see.